So how would this practically work then? So the deadline is for the first jab, as we've said, the 3rd of February, so literally imminently. What then happens? So if someone hasn't had the jab by the 3rd of February, what? Are they not allowed to go to work on the 4th? Like, what is the practical reality of this?
The practical reality would be that the employers would be in discussion with those who haven't had their vaccinations. And although an employer can't, going back to your first question, employer can't ask for for health questionnaires, but in this kind of situation, because it's a legal duty on the employer to make sure that these people are vaccinated, they would be allowed to do so. And the employers will be having discussions with the employees. If they haven't had that vaccination, I understand that they will be encouraging them to do so. And if the employees are still adamant that they're not going to be doing so, then I should imagine the employers will then be taking steps to start disciplinary proceedings and dismissal proceedings.
And what about this whole kind of notion of redeployment? So there's talk that actually you can be moved into a non-patient facing role. Well, you know, I am not a healthcare expert, but it seems very random that you would take a doctor and put them in an office to go and do paperwork.
Michelle, I'm not a health expert either. And I should imagine that they will be looking at that and they will be looking to see if there are roles that people could do backstage, as it were. But I should imagine that there will be an awful lot of dismissals. And obviously, as you said before, it's something that affects the NHS and it also affects the economy because there'll be a lot of people who will then not be paying tax, etc. So that is another element of it.